So this is a Swift Conqueror 630. I'm just going to take you through the operation of the van. Above the door for the Caravan, you've got your main power switch, so power off. Oh, let me press and hold. There we go, power off, as you can see, and then you've got power on. You've also then got your options going through here. When you hit the button, it will take you through the level of the water tanks, the battery voltage, depending on what you're connected to, and then you've got power off on the end there, as you can see. So let's put the power back on again. Just here, you've got a graph to show you which battery you're using. So at the moment, we're running off the leisure battery on board the Caravan. If you're towing the Caravan down the road and you want to use the fridge as a cool box, you need to press the button here and the green light would appear on this side. You've got your internal lights here and here for the ones around the top of the van. All the other lights are individually switched. And then you've got your water pump run just here. You'd fill the system in a very similar way to what you've done previously. So you'd come underneath the seat, underneath the bed at the back of the Caravan. Make sure the yellow valve is shut. At the moment it's open, but you drop the yellow valve down and shut it so you can fill the water system on board with your aqua roll connected on the outside of the van. You then turn your water pump on with the taps open on the hot side all the way around the van. So you turn it around and open it up on the hot side so you can bleed the water system out. Once you've got water all the way through the taps, you turn all the way through to the taps and it's coming out continuously. You turn the taps off, same as in the bathroom and shower, and then you can come to the control panel above the door. Now when this clears up, you'll be able to see the screen a bit better. As you can see, it's got a few different options on there. At the moment this is the home screen, but when I press store and reset, it will bring up the option. So at the moment the heating and hot water is completely turned off. To turn it on, you need to hit the on just here when it is flashing here. You can then use the right arrow to go across to the room temperature. To control the room temperature, you either go down or up. For now we're going to turn that right down. We don't want it at that temperature today. So it goes all the way down to 5 degrees, which is essentially off. If you want to heat the hot water in the water tank once you've filled it, you can use the arrow across here again to go to the tap, and then you either got on or off for your water heating. We're going to leave that off also because there's no water in the tank at the moment. If you come across to the gas symbol, you'll be able to operate the Caravan on gas. That's for the heating or hot water. Now to do that, you either press on or off again, depending on which way. If you want it to be running on gas, you need to say on here. If not, you'd need to say off. The next one along that you can see here is the amount of power coming into the Caravan. So whether you got 1 or 2 kilowatts coming in, you can select that on here, and then that will be the amount of power the Caravan's using, the heating and hot water system is using. To set it, you just press set, store and reset, and that will be set for you. I'm going to turn it off for now as well because we don't need the heating or hot water on. The fridge, really easy to use, power on. And when it fully loads, you can select the power source you want to use. So as you can see here, at the moment it's trying to ignite on gas. And to control the temperature on gas, you'll use the button on this right hand side. If it fails to ignite, the blue light here will flash and it'll come up with a 9 error code at the top. To go to 240 mains, you hit the button on the left hand side and it will change the symbol just here. So as you can see now, it's a plug symbol. And again, when you're on mains power, you'll be able to use the button on the right hand side to control the temperature of the fridge. When you're towing the Caravan down the road and you want to use the fridge as a cool box, you'll be able to go across to the battery symbol on here. And as you can see, it's come up with an error code now that says error code 10. And it's flashing the blue light at the bottom to tell me I'm not currently connected to a power source at the front of the van. I'll leave that on 240 for now, so you can see it is working. Up above that, you've got the microwave. Works very similar to your household microwave. Control times at the bottom, start, stop, etc. Coming through into the bathroom, got an electric flush on top of the toilet, and then you've got your waste flap at the bottom. Shower and bathroom, all fairly self-explanatory, the same as a household unit. Cooker and hob, again very much similar to your household unit, no difference at all there. If you did get any problems with that sort of thing at all with gas systems, please do give us a call here and we'll put you through to our workshop department. I'll take you around the outside of the Caravan now and show you where everything is. At the back of the van you've got the toilet tank. So the toilet flush tank takes 3.5 litres of water, and then you've got your toilet cassette at the bottom. On the back of the Caravan you've got your wind down legs on both sides. Coming down this side you've got your gas flue. Now on the old Truman systems you had to remove a cover. On this system you do not need to remove the cover, you leave that as it is. Underbed storage and grey waste pipes. You then got your motor mover, which we'll demonstrate here on site while you're here. The wheel nuts we'll talk before you leave site. At the front of the Caravan you've got your battery, and you've got your power switch, power lead coming into the side of the van. You've also got your motor mover power switch behind there, and then your Truma water pump connection at the front. Front locker is your gas locker with your water pump pipe in there and your leg winder. And none of our vans, unless they come with unless you've bought the van with the super startup pack, come with gas pipe work to the bottle. Hitch up procedure we go through in person while you're here on site, and we have got a separate video we can send you on that. If you have any further questions about the Swift Conqueror 630, please do give us a call here at the Caravan Company. Thank you very much. Bye bye.